Hey guys, Joe Cool here. Welcome back to another episode of Fiend the Beast Unleashed. Today we're rocking the welding hat. We're working hard with some highly powerful stuff that'll explode in your face and it will hurt and burn. Okay, so been getting pieces together. Cleaned up the machine area over here. I ran a line for the assembly table, so that's going. Let's see, what else have I done? We got a machine roller, which killed my computer because I only had the generators, the biogenerators. And the biogenerator produces about 16 MJ per tick, and this thing consumes about 15.7, so it was having a hard time staying active. So I went ahead and put two of them in there. So if it drains it again, there's enough. There's at least enough power generation that it'll bring it back up. Installed an energetic infuser. I made a wireless remote, but he's in there. Added an I/O port. I think I showed you the second drive. I don't know. We got some facades over that stuff. Machine room. Got all kinds of stuff. I did a redstone facade because that's gonna be where all the resonant redstone's at. I think it's resonant redstone, and that's all of that. Alright, let's get to the good stuff. So, this is all running. I installed the wireless transmitters and receivers. I got that sitting up here. They're finally all red, meaning they're all above their limits. So you can see I got most of the fruits and vegetables at 3,000. The red and yellow I have at 4,500 because you need one to make orange, so that's at 3,000. Pumpkin I've got at 1,500 because that produces 4 seeds per pumpkin. So as it uses seeds and stuff, it'll. I was having a problem was this was getting so full that there was no room to craft, so it wasn't crafting anything. So all it was using was potatoes and carrots. So everybody was short on pumpkins and melon seeds. So I pulled a bunch of stuff out. And it's gonna have to get way down before I. So I've got this guy up here. Most of them are off right now, so it's not a big deal. But right now he's only pulling out red because red is the one. It was the one thing that was low. But these are gonna have to get a lot lower before I'll pull those out. The pumpkins are pretty low. Yellow, there's still a ton of yellow in there too. We'll see. When it gets really low, I'll move it again. But I could probably... Yeah, no. I'm going to wait till it gets low. Because that thing goes pretty good. Okay, so here we got... so I filled this up a bit. So now we've got... I think we've got, what, 16 refineries? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 16 refineries. We got about half a tank of fuel, 10,000 buckets of fuel. Oh, let me show you. Let me show you this guy. So I went and made an oil. It's a oily desert oil field age. So I used. Let's see. We used desert oil field with a single biome, normal moon, normal stars, starfisher, normal lighting, no seas, normal weather, clear modifiers. So that's how I made this one, but this one, crazy stuff. I got a rainbow. And then check this out. So I've got this sun here that moves really slow. And then there's another moon sun pair that moves faster. So I've got two suns and one of them moves really slow. At night it's super crazy. It looks really cool. And then I got this rainbow. What's up with that? So I already emptied this one here. I put a cap on it so I don't fall in. This one's done too. This whole section here was all full of oil, and then this guy blew up a creeper. But yeah, these caverns all full of oil. They're crazy. I keep bouncing. I'm just gonna sit. Okay. These things are insanely. I mean, look around. There's tons of them. Next well, the massive well over here is. This is the one I'm gonna do next. Look at this thing. Oh, that's not too. That's not too exciting. This is exciting. Here, let's get some light in here. Look at this chamber. Craziness. Okay, so on to. So today we're gonna build a steam engine, and then we're gonna use all that fuel. And call it good. So I went ahead and I cleaned out. Oh, okay, got enough. Okay. You know, it's a little brighter in here. So what I have is on. So here's these force rods. I have a rod of return. This one's linked to my house. So when I hit it, so I'll show you that in a minute. So this here is you can name it whatever you want. And then you can set a location. You have to set the location. You can't type it in or anything. But see if I set it, sets it to my current location, and it's linked to the current age. I don't know if you call it an age. The current place you're at. And let's see. Let's open that back up. So with it on in this the force belt. On your hotbar, if you hit, see this one I use, that's the rod of vision, gives you 1 minute of night vision, and that's what I've been using to allow you to be able to see. And then I've got a repair option, so it repairs. It'll gradually repair. I guess the repair's kind of slow. Then I've got one of fire resistance, so this one's good for the nether. This one's to my oil rig, and then this one's when I go into an age and I want to start looking around for pages. I still want some decent pages, so I'm still looking for that. But here, your keypad, so this is keypad 1, keypad 2, keypad 3, and the keypad's the little number thing on the right. And so, yeah, all you have to do is you hit it a few times. So right now I've got night vision, I got fire resist, and so cool stuff. But so back on to cooler things. So we've got ourselves. I don't need all that sand. Oh, that must have been when that creeper blew up. Okay, so let's pick up all our stuff. Okay, let's pick a spot in the middle, kind of. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is our center point, more or less. Go ahead and put him there, maybe. So that's 5, 6, 7. Okay, no, we're gonna put him down a little bit. Because I want him to be able to so if I put more boilers in here, I want them to have access to this liquid duct, and this liquid duct here is gonna be that's gonna be fuel. So fuel, set this to receive. Oh, that's weird. That changed the the lighting in here. I'm gonna put this guy. So I got this guy here. Do I have? Yeah, I did. Okay, so this is gonna be kind of my base for it. So we want the aqueous accumulator here because we got to fill it with water. So then we're gonna, let's see this key here. So one there, one there. Okay, so that's filling up with water. Okay, so now we want to place our liquid fueled firebox. So we need access to this guy. So let's grab our liquid ducts. Don't need the stone. So best to place these backwards because the last one is hopefully going to drop out some liquid. So let's, or not. Do I have to use a, shouldn't have to. Let's try, let me try replacing this real quick. Okay, so we got this. Oh, you know what? Maybe I didn't set it. We want fuel. No! Work! Aw, seriously? Do I have like 45? Let me grab a lever. So my other tank, it just comes out. What's up with that? Oh, unless, you know what? Let me double check this. Yeah, you're set on send. Is it in there? Yeah, it looks like it's active. So let's see here. Okay, so it's not getting fuel for some reason. Receive only, set it. Alright, give me a minute to let me figure this out. Alright, all better. So, turns out the output on my tank I didn't have set. So make sure you have your liquid ducts specified correctly. So what we're going to do here is we're going to lay this guy down. It goes in a 3x3 format. And then you've got some high pressure boilers that you can put into a, I'm putting into a, the bottom one there, 3x4x3. So I don't think these connect until you, dang it, ugh. So I should wait till you finish here and go bam. Alright. Oop, it's already going. There she blows! Okay, so what this is going to do, it's going to eat through fuel like crazy. See, as it's going through, it's already gone through one bucket. And while it heats up the I wonder if this changed in the new one, because they showed, oh, maybe because it's a higher steam boiler. This one, they had a there was a 1x1, and it took forever to burn through a bucket of fuel, but I guess it was burning a smaller. I've got the max boiler you have, so okay, so then the next thing I want to do is we need to put some liquid ducts on here. So when it starts producing steam, oh well, what? Is that all the liquid ducts I have? I guess so. Oh no, there's a whole stack right here. There we go. Oh, wrong way. Ah! I've done this before, honest! Okay, so we want to put... Oh, actually, no. I don't want to put him there. I want to put... So this is Hypno. I seen Hypno do... Well, he didn't do this completely. But this is what I'm doing. Because I want one right there. So when I go to install more... more boilers, so I'll have a boiler on this side, a boiler on this side. Steam will be able to enter all 5 sides. That's the other nice thing about having just click site, is that you can make it easier for people to watch in videos. Crazy, I know. But what I'm hoping, so that's one. I've got one more Tesseract. So I'll eventually set up more Tesseracts. So this is going to be for Steam. Send only. Check. Okay, so once this starts producing steam, which it has to get to 100 before it starts producing steam, then we'll start having some stuff go on. So let's check our fuel over here. So we got 10,000 buckets. How long do you think that'll last? We should be good to go. Shouldn't be that big a deal. And this guy is my tower of fuel production. Craziness. Okay, so now that we got that set up, so what we're going to do is, let's see, we're going to come up here. And I've got this nice little room over here. And let's see, 1, 2. Can I push this out one more? Maybe. Probably not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like I might only have room for 2 turbines. Well, what I have to do, I think that's 400 EU per tick. Okay. Well, we'll have to make do. Start with 1. So these things here, oh man, do they take a ton of steel. Let's see, blade. Yeah. So you create these blades. These blades take 3 steel each, right? Okay, so that's 3 steel. Times 8 is 24. Plus 9, 33. Times 3. A bunch. 99. So 9, I guess that's not too bad. And then you make the the boilers. So these liquid fueled boiler boxes, some steel plates. You need 9 of those. And then the turbine, steam. This guy here, you need. Yeah. So those are. Was it 36 blocks? 40 blocks each for 3, and you need 4 of those. That's what, 120 blocks, or 120 iron there, or 100, yeah, 120 steel. Housings aren't so bad. So you got the high pressure boiler tanks. They're only 2 plates, and you need 36 of those. And these guys aren't too bad either. So it's the other stuff isn't too bad, but the main thing is like, so it takes you a little bit to build it all. As you can see, I've got some coke ovens. Oh, I need to find a place to creosote oil. Might just void it. I've got like a bunch of it already. Okay, so let's set up our steam turbine. So this guy's a 3 by 2 by 2. And when he has that thing, you know he's good to go. So, and then you can put that there. So my understanding is they need 40. They need 160. So they need 160 steam. So let's put it on. Actually, you know what? Let's move it back one. There we go. Okay. So what I can do now is I can click my site button again. Is I can put this guy here, and then 2, 3, and then let's put there. So hopefully that'll work. And then I can run a high voltage, or a, did I grab cable? I didn't grab cable. Let's see here. I'm gonna put it right here. Yeah. So those are the machines I'm gonna set up there. I didn't make any upgrades, so I'll have to do that. So this guy needs steam, receive, there. Not putting the turbine on there yet. Let's go make an MFSU. I don't like that roof though. Because any creepers blow up there, not going to be good stuff. Put this back on. Okay, so. Oh. Okay, time for a bit of terraforming because I can't have that there. Oh, dang it. It's like right there. See, well, this I can change. I can change. So what do you think? Man, it right interferes. So I'd have to put dirt right there. Well, it's better than blowing up, right? Sometimes you can't have the aesthetics you want. But if I move it up to 1, 2, so 1, 2, 1, 2, and I put all my MFSUs in the corner, I might be able to work this out. Okay, let me pause the video for a second. Let me figure this out and associate things. Rad, we're back. So what I've got going on here, so I put it back here. So I decided to drop this down because I didn't want to mess with the terrain above, but I did want it covered by some protection in case something blows up there. It won't completely obliterate everything down here. Now, as you'll notice, my chunk ends right here, and I want to keep everything within the chunk as much as possible. So although I have this open, it's going to be more of a walkway as opposed to an actual running conduit and stuff. So I can still come back here and access everything, because what's going to happen is I'm going to run cable across here. It's going to go up and over and then down, and I won't have access to here. Now what I want to do is add the ability to add another turbine. Oh, max 128 out. I didn't know that. I thought it. Oh, that must be new. So I guess I'm only getting 256 out of these guys, no matter what I do. Dang! So I need 4 of them. I don't know where I'm gonna put them all. Well, these 2 guys will be fine up here. I think if I put another, if I get to another one, yeah, we'll have 2 guys there. Yeah, I just noticed that. I didn't see that before. Okay, so let's get to building. So this guy I want to run. So I should be able to run that guy there. Now I want to put the MFE down, MFSU down here. So are you? Yeah, that's what you want. Okay, and then I've got we want one more cable there. And then what I want here is a disconnecting cable. Now watch if I let me fill the rest of these guys out, and bam, and then bam, there. Okay, so then I can go like this, and then put a lever right there. EU splitter. Uh-oh. Not sure if that's working right. I think that's split. I think that's closed. How to test it? I can blow up my bat box. Do any of these take? Let's see. What do you take? You take. Oh, geez. We can do this. We can do this. Okay. So let's see here. If I chuck this guy on, this guy's the easiest to make. There. Get me! Okay, so what we're gonna do is, okay, let me disconnect this guy, and then we'll put him right here. Okay, so he's not connected yet, and then if we go over here, what am I looking? Oh yeah, these guys here. Oh, I didn't have to come all over here. Let's see. I need upgrades, and I already made 2 transformer upgrades, so that they'll now be able to run off of 512 EU. Okay, so then. Okay, so that should be. Oh no, that's. Is that? Like go a different direction? That's not what I wanted. Detector cable. I thought. Hold on, let me find. Let me figure this out. So what we got here is, it says when there's a redstone signal applied, it splits it. Now what I've seen before is it actually disconnects from both sides, and it's a lot easier to see. But I guess. Right here it isn't. So I made a nice little nifty switch. If you watch Seth Bling's Bitcraft Minecraft or Bitcraft or Minecraft Bytes, something like that. I forget what it's called, but it's really funny. But one of the little snippets they had a switch, and so somebody made a switch. So it works the same as a lever. It's just graphically different. So I think it looks kind of cool. So that is supposed to be open, so it won't connect. So green is going to mean I can connect whatever I want. So let me fill this back in. Green means it's safe. Okay, so that guy's connected. Nothing here. So now we need to add a turbine. And then set to receive steam. $84.90. So we got 30,000. Okay, so how are we doing here? Okay. Now this guy should have no energy, and then when I hit that guy, now he's full. Okay, sweet. We've got power. Awesome. This is cool. And this is 10 million EU. So what I can do is I can daisy chain MFSUs here and like run the cable pretty much anywhere. So if I need more energy for these guys seem to last quite a while. So that's not too bad. So sweet. So we now have power up here. So are you off? You're off. So let's go get our other toys. We have 2 furnaces. And let's see, we need some ME cable. And then let's see, we need this guy right here. Not sure what you're doing, you're out anyway. Okay, so I need 2 more transformer upgrades. Let's hope I can, oh no, not that guy. This guy. Let's see what we need. This is, okay, just glass so far. These guys are like, so what I'm going to end up doing, what I'm going to be able to do is put upgrades as well to make them go a lot faster. So let's see what we got. Okay, cool. Just needed glass. We'll set up a furnace to start off with, and then we'll expand from there. Because there's going to be a lot of stuff to cook. So a lot of recipes are going to have to go in there. And you can only get 9. You might be able to do more. Well, you still need more interfaces. You may as well have another. Oh, and I need an ejector upgrade. Yeah. I'm gonna need 3. Let's see what we're gonna see if we can craft everything. Oh, sweet, everything's good. Okay. So upgrades. So we've got our 3 ejector upgrades for our 2 furnaces and our. Well, I guess I've got an extractor and a compressor. I'm gonna hook the extractor up first, because I don't have any rubber, and that's gonna be a problem. Okay, so let's pop back up here. You are good to go. Let us do the do. I'm gonna do 1 furnace there. You're gonna get the upgrades. I'm actually going to take this guy down. I don't need him that often, so I can do him later. Okay, and then we're going to, I'm going to put the extractor right here. You're getting, okay, so these things are kind of cool. I did not know this. So if you kind of look at the icon there, it's any side. But if you, I think if you click there, now see how it has the center, and then if I click there, see now that's eject out the bottom. What I want to do is I want to eject out the top. So you just pick a block and you pick the side that you want to. Will it do like this? Yeah, there. That's that direction, I guess. It's going to be north. Okay. This one should be south, east. No, that's west. Oh, duh. That's west. Never eat soggy Wheaties, right? East. Okay, so that's cool. So, yeah. So I want to eject out the top. That's that guy, and then this guy is going to be the one that we're going to set up right now. So we got our extractor. What we're going to do, so we got that. Okay, so now we need some ME cable. And so you should be able to run this to there. And then we need an interface right there. And if we click this guy around there, he's going to output to the bottom. So we need to, let's see, I don't have an extractor recipe actually. So let's make one. So rubber, oh hey cool, it is using the rubber. Okay, I put in a bunch of rubber. Oh, yeah. Okay. So recipes that I have specifying rubber bars will use the industrial craft rubber, but recipes that I have specifying the industrial craft rubber won't use the rubber bars. So I guess if you make your recipes, use the rubber bars first if you're going back and forth in between. But I need a piece of wood and a rubber. And let's go down here, clear that. We want this guy and that guy. Okay, so now we go put this puppy in. And let's see, this should go in here. Let's see, transformers, okay. Moment of truth. Okay, they didn't blow up. I don't know if they blew up as soon as energy gets put into them. So this guy is going, sweet. So what I'm gonna end up doing is I want to get, what I might actually do is, well, you know what? I probably should put them right here. But I want to get the mass fab going, and then I want to get a recycler going because I've got like 200,000 cobblestone. And if you've seen my last series, I set it up to where it only runs when there's stuff in it. No, it only runs when there's scrap in it. So, but the thing is, I need a side, so he needs a bunch of sides. Is what it comes down to. I guess I can use one of. Well, I guess if I put him over here, I can use this spot right here. I can do him, and then. Oh gosh, yeah, the recycler, both the recycler and the mass fabricator use a lot of spaces when you're using applied energistics, because I have it set up for a lot of some level detectors and whatnot. So I think the recycler I had, so with the block in the middle, so let's see. So with the recycler in the middle, I had, I think, power coming from the bottom. I had a level emitter here pointing to this guy that was sending in scrap. I had an ejector on ejector on one of the other sides that was pulling out. It was crazy. And well, cool. So we got that going. Yeah. Finally got some EU, and I can line this wall with all my machines and get things going. I might put the fabricator in here. I'll have to figure a way to get the cable over. I can probably run it over the wall there, and it should be fine, maybe, or not. Or I could put it down here. Power cable's right there, so I could put it right there, make it look all nasty. All right, guys. Well, thanks for coming by. Thanks for watching me. I like sharing what I do, so it's a lot of fun. And as you can see, I'm having a lot of fun with with Minecraft and Feed the Beast Unleashed. Yeah, I played a lot of other games. I play a lot of games, actually. But right now, I'm pretty much playing Minecraft because I'm having a good time. Doing some videos for you guys, and I'm glad you guys are liking them. Hey, if you enjoyed the video, by all means, please leave a like. It helps me out a lot. If you're enjoying the series, please subscribe because that helps too. And if you see stuff that you want done, so we'll have some bees and tree breeding coming up at per request. I got some ideas to do with that. I want to get some tree breeding going and get some high production saplings, and we'll use the saplings to create ethanol, and we'll see if we can get that going because I think that'd be pretty neat too. All right, guys, thanks again for stopping by. Take care and have a good one.